The old stereotypical grease monkey where he's got grease up to his elbows is more or less becoming a thing of the past.
I'm on the computer a lot more than what I thought I would be. It's just more technology driven.
The biggest thing for me is going to be job security. Any number of places I could go, and there's never going to be a lack of jobs.
There's a tremendous need and demand out there for these students, not only, of course, with our dealership, but with dealerships in general.
Not only are you going to leave Owens Community College with a 2-year associate's degree, you're also going to leave with about 80% of your factory certifications. A technician on his own working at a GM dealership, he could expect to do 7 to 8 years to do the same certifications that we're going to have in 2 years. We're going to go and we're going to have you working at a GM dealership with a real-world technician.
From training right to job site, almost like an apprenticeship. Everything we've done here, I've turned around and used immediately.
It's a great benefit for students to come here, for us and for them. It really gives them the opportunity to launch their career. They're going to school, they're learning, and they're also learning from us at the same time.
That's made it possible for me to not only get the training that I needed for the job field, but to get the best training.